Hi everyone, and voice reveal. I know it's been a long time, but I'm finally back with some new ideas for my channel. And today, I wanted to start by showing you some products kindly sent to me from BPS. This company specializes in making all kinds of products that you can check out in the links below. So, let's take a look. Here's the products that I designed. I made stickers, lanyards, and enamel pins. So first are my stickers. It's my first time getting stickers printed from an actual service. It's of course my mascot, and the colors are really vivid and saturated. Next are lanyards. I never designed lanyards before, but it was actually really simple, and I was surprised that the design I sent in actually worked. The colors are really bright and fluorescent since I worked in pretty light pastels. Lastly, enamel pins. I've honestly never had much interest in making these before, but I couldn't pass up the free opportunity. But I only realized after I got them that I made the mistake of using too much detail. It would have looked a lot cuter if I just left out this neckline here. But in the light, the design looks way cuter and I completely forgive it. So that's all the products sent to me from BPS. This was such a rare opportunity and I'm really thankful that they reached out to me. Once again, check them out in the description. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon.